Let's go get him again.
Here we are, my very first from the brand of Masque Milano. You know how much I love my tea notes and scents? And when I heard about this a few years back, I said this one's on my radar. So let's see what Russian tea has in store for me. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing, giving a first impression on Russian tea from the brand of Masque Milano. Now, this is a 2014 release from the brand. This is, again, like I said in the introduction, my very first sniff of the brand. I've heard of the brand. They've had some hype on YouTube. I've just never had a sample or anything that I could smell this release or any of their release. This is one of those that does get a hype on YouTube. This one, Russian tea. Tango, I believe, also has some hype. So we'll start with the tea one because I love my teas. And I felt like I went a little safe with this release, with this blind buy, because tea I like. If it's a transparent tea or a thicker tea, I'm a fan of. Transparent, good. I got a bunch of those, but I could still go for another one. A thicker tea, I'd like more because tea for two is my go-to, and I'd like a thicker tea. And this one is supposed to go in that direction, so we'll see. But this one and Tango are both super high on people's lists, and I'm a tea guy, so you know this was pretty easy for me as a blind buy. I think it's got some hype. People are saying it's a darker tea. It's a good tea. It's one of the best from the brand, things like that. So that makes it a safe blind buy. If I like it, I'm going to keep going into this line a little bit more. So time to unbox this thing, and I'm just looking at the notes because they are on the back of these, the box or the tube here. Yeah, it's got raspberry, mint, black pepper, black tea, leather, incense, birchwood. Man, that note breakdown. Easy love. So we'll see. Again, you can't, this is going to be one of those unboxings, right? That it's going to just give me a little strip at a time. So I'm going to go with the back end here and see what I can do. Yeah, I'll do the same thing. So we're here to just unwrap this one little strip at a time because you guys have time for that, and so do I. This is a weird unboxing. The box itself, nice presentation. It really has a lot of detail. There it is. This looks like, top kind of looks like a little eraser. So a lot of, again, this is 30 mils, so it's not that much juice. Is it 30 mils? 35, something like that. What are you telling me here? 35 mils. So a lot of glass, not a lot of juice. That's my first impression. Rubbery, kind of. Oh, no, it's not rubbery. Maybe it is. It's got a lot of detail. You got some detail inside the cap, on the top of the cap. You got some right here on the plaque here. It says Russian tea. Name of the nose. The name of the brand is etched here. Russian tea. It's got a lot going on the bottle. Attention to detail on niche brands. I'm a fan. Let's smell Russian tea, and I'm already liking you. So you better be good, because I like your presentation. Oh, that's that raspberry and that mint. Yeah. Oh, that's uplifting up top. Not what I expected. I thought this was going to be a thicker fragrance. This is very thin up top. Lot of mint, lot of raspberry. Very, wow, I've never smelt that before. Mint and raspberry together. Oh, it's got, it's got some smoke. Oh, the tea's coming through. Oh, okay. That face is when you sold me. That mint and that raspberry opening was like, huh? What's going on here? But it was good. It was interesting because I like mint. And then it goes smoky. And now, oof, this is a strong one. This is a good one. Oh yeah, this is good. Wow. Why are you only giving us 35 mils, by the way? Can't you just give us 50 at least? Jack it up by just a little bit the price? I think I'm going to go through way more than 35 mils of this stuff, and that's why you got me. Let's delve into this one a little bit more. So, yeah, that mint is still going, that raspberry is still going through. It's not dead. But oh, did it just hit it like a freight train? It was mint and raspberry. I was intrigued. I was like, what? And now I'm like, then that smoke came in. You're getting that black tea 100%, but you're getting like a smokiness. You know, people say birch tar. I don't think it's on that level. I've smelled some birch tar in my day, and I've smelled some that are really smoky. This one is very, I would say, medium level, lower level as far as birch, like a pleasant one. You know, nothing too crazy here, but yeah, it's smoky. It's fruity. It's got some spiciness too. A raspberry tea, man. Yeah, raspberry tea. Think about it. It's got some dry tea leaves. I'm already thinking. So you're going in a tea shop, and there is some tea shops here in Canada. They're called David's Tea, I think. And they have like loose tea, right? I mean, you can pick whatever you want, but you kind of smell like the composition kind of reminds me of a fragrance, right? They got a whole bunch of different things in the tea. This is where this one comes into place. I feel like this is one of those that it's a raspberry tea. You can smell, you know, everything that's coming through. There's a little bit of smokiness. There's a little bit of spice here. There's that black tea. There's some raspberry nuggets in this tea. There's some mintiness, some menthol-like quality to this release. It's playing games, man. It's really interesting. It's one of those tweeners. It's not, you know, when I said tea for two is great, it's a darker scent. It still holds the championship between this one. I think this one's a lot thinner than tea for two. From what I'm smelling off this strip. I could be wrong for development, but man, this is, I've never smelled something like this before. Complexity, well done. I love the complexity of this one. The blend, great. I love how unique it is. That's another point there. Like raspberry tea. Yeah, who's not going to like that? Raspberry black tea with the herbal, minty, uplifting brightness up top. A little bit of a lemon squeeze. Let's put that in there too. It's got some spices. It's got a little bit of kick there, and I don't know what that is yet. I'm going to have to go take a look. I forgot all the notes that I had. I was excited after I smelt the tea or the mint. Oh man, this one is a good one. I really like how original it is. I don't think it's going to go against the tea for two. I think that still holds the crown as the dark tea-based scent. We'll see what this one gives me more of that smokiness. I know there's leather in here and there's incense, so is that going to engulf the scent more? Because that introduction went mint raspberry real quick. She went dark. Wow, Russian tea, I'm happy. Great buy. Wow, great buy. I love it. I can't wait. Great for fall. I could see this in the spring, summer nights. And I'm really looking forward to putting it on skin and seeing if that incense, that leather, that birch, that labdanum is going to start enveloping the scent. That tea is going to come in with more smoke. If not, I'm happy with the composition I just got. Mint raspberry, tea-like fragrance with some smokiness. Beautiful, beautiful composition. This is well executed by the nose. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. This is a worthy hype train release. I'm late to the party, but I'm happy as I can be with this release. This is going to be, I think, it's early in the game, but I think it's going to be a contender for 2021's fall top 20 list. Niche. I can see that. This is a good release. As always, a creative pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. I'm going to grab this bottle to finish this review up. Choose your tea-based fragrance wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.